Hello everyone, and welcome back. So today I went to Best Buy to buy something special, and I'm gonna do unboxing for that. So what did I got is it's Osmo Pocket 3 DJI, and this is vlogging camera. So I bought this for $750. It was 749 and 98 something. So it was $750 with tax. It was 804 somewhat dollars. So I would say $850 approximately. So let's do unboxing with me. Okay. So this is the first layer of packaging. Super excited. So you can find like a normal, just the camera. It was for I believe $500 or something, but I got the combo creator combo pack. It was for $750 plus the tax, and there's also another combo which will include your memory card. It was, I think it was 128 GB, and 2 mic. So I thought for a beginner like me this would do. Silica gel. I think this is the box. So you'll get a protector box as well in the box. Pretty cool. Nice packaging, very small and compact. You can see Osmo written here. It's very tiny. Yeah, it's very handy. Like it can go into your bag or your pocket. Not pocket, but yeah, in your bag. That's just a labeling. So the purpose of making this video in English, so that I can get connect with the audience in Canada as well as in India and in Nepal. So that's why. So I have, I think that's the battery. I think this is the battery. Yes. So the battery is like this. There's a type C USB coming out here, and you can charge with type C USB. I think you will charge this, and after that you'll put your camera on it. Let's see. This is my first time as well, so I don't know. I have never seen it before, and I think that's the mic. So it's very mini and compact, and it has something like this to hold on. Yeah, so it can go like this. Yay! And what's in this one? Oh, so that's the mini tripod. Super mini. Oh, I think it's just the base of the tripod. Yes, so it's also in the box. So it's just the base, and you can fit your tripod in here. So it's like this. And I think I can see another battery. Is it the battery? I do not know what this is, but it says when mounting, insert the handle into Osmo Pocket without holding the release button when detached press. So I think I might have to go and check YouTube video how to operate this, because even I'm not sure what this is used for. And it also has a USB charging port, plus same like the battery thing. Interesting. You can get a cable in here, which is also Type-C cable. So there is this mic. I don't know what's the name for it, but I know it's used for your mic so that when the wind blows, it doesn't give you that odd sound of wind. So that's the filter, I would say. And here's the string or a band. What do you call this? Wrist strap. So it goes on your wrist like this. Something like this, maybe, so that you are holding it. I have to play for a little while just so I get more familiar with the product. There's something like interesting. I don't know what that is, but definitely something useful. It looks like magnet, so it's something like this. It's very small and tiny. It looks like magnet, but I'm not sure how to use it. Does it say here? So it's a clip magnet, mic clip magnet. I'm not sure what that does, so I have to look online. And here's the main part. Oh, I was like, where's the camera? So this is the screen, and here's your 360 degrees camera. I don't know if it has any charge on it. There you go. Oh my god, it's working. Can I put my phone as well? I don't know it. So it's a touch screen. So it's like this. Let's select English. Scan to QR code to download DJI and connect the camera unit to activate. Okay, so I'll do it later, but you can see this is the stabilizer kind of thing. Like wherever you go, it's 360 degrees angle, so that your video doesn't get interrupted by your hand movement. Interesting. It's nice. I like it. I'm gonna get this later. Ooh, did you see that? So I just turned this on. It's like this, and then I turn it off. Ooh, automatic shift. So we'll see that later. Rotate screen, does it? Oh yeah. So that is that for. You can rotate your screen as well. So here, I thought you can stick your camera on it. Not your camera, but your phone. So that's that. That's shutter button. Interesting. And I think here's your memory where you can put your memory card. That's the charging side. Not this, but this. That's the battery. So, like this. So that's charging now. So that's the charger. Interesting. I like it. That's that. And here's the tripod. I knew that this was tripod, but I was more excited for the main part. No, this is not the tripod. This is something else. This is the cover. Oh, okay. Okay, I have to check how to fit this on this one. Is it like, I'm not sure. Does this work? I'm gonna write this if I'm gonna do it just by myself. So I better not touch it. So this is actually really mini tripod. Like, it's miniest tripod. I thought it would go more bigger, but never mind. And how do you connect this? Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. So it's like this, guys. So remember the small thing that I showed you? I thought that was the battery. So yeah. It's locked now. And yeah, like this. But it's really mini. Fine, so that's good. So that it is like that. And there's the mic. And this is the protector. Pretty cute. It's like my makeup blush. So guys, that is it. That's my unboxing for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I hope you liked it. There are so many things that I don't know about it yet, but surely I'm gonna look online on YouTube to see how it works and what are the things that is attached to it, because I'm also new to it. So I still have to do some studies, and before buying it I did not look at any YouTube video or anything like that. I just knew that there's something like a vlogging camera, which is DJI. My friend suggested that to me. My friend suggested this to me, so I thought, okay, I'll buy it. So thank you so much for watching till here, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like, and yeah, please make me an official vlogger so that I can use this. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching.